So here's a pro tip when you buy a fish oil product. A lot of times, most fish oil products are misleading. On the front of the label, it will tell you that there's 2,000 milligrams of omega-3s in this product. And there is, but there's certain types of omega-3s that our bodies utilize better and use more efficiently, and that's the whole purpose of buying a fish oil product, is to actually get a benefit from it. And so EPA and DHA are the two forms of fish oil and omega-3s that our body really wants and utilizes best. And so when you look at the front of the label, it says there's 2,000 milligrams of omega-3s, but the reality is, if you look at the back of the label, it's going to say maybe 250 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. So this is where the companies can kind of skirt the rules a little bit and say that there's 2,000 milligrams of omega-3s, because there actually is. But the usable omega-3s, the types that our bodies are going to benefit from the most, is very, very much so at a minimum. And a good maintenance dose of EPA and DHA for a daily basis is about 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA. So do the math. If the fish oil product that you're purchasing doesn't have a combined 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA, then you're probably not getting the best product that you can possibly purchase. So double the dose, triple the dose, maybe even 10x the dose, depending on the product you buy. I've definitely seen some that do that. And when you go to purchase your next fish oil product, look at the label. Make sure that on the back, you're getting 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA to get a good quality maintenance dose of omega-3s.